Bonafide Hustler here, E-Money here, and we got an old school garage sale video happening right now. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of E-Money's spaceship. We have the E-Money here. He has cut the hair. Look at this. So you got to comment already on what is going on here. His sideburns are all tucked in. Man, it's spiky. I'm getting Sugar Ray vibes. Guys, if you like this channel, make sure you subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at the Bonafide Hustler. Get the free money making guide. It's the first link down below. And we are at the first garage sale.
Oh, there's some stuff inside.
No, there's nothing inside.
Are you sure?
There's nothing in E-Money, there's nothing inside. So first garage sale is like right there, and it looks like a bunch of baby stuff.
Who puts like their rakes and stuff on inside?
Emerson, that is not a garage sale. It's a garage sale, but it's not a good one.
Okay.
We're looking at 4 neighborhood-wide garage sales today, and at this neighborhood, there are at least 10. So we're gonna find the 10. We are 10 minutes early. We're trying to find, oh, I saw a balloon over there.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, don't.
Is it a clown?
I would not go straight.
Is it a clown?
These are the streets we're trying to find E-Money. Hold on. We have a map right now, but it's kind of, I don't know, it's a little early and I don't think anyone's really awake. Yeah, there's one there.
Well, he drove by this.
Yeah, so this one's got a bunch of random stuff. There's some roller skates on the bottom. We have, nope, bunch of baby stuff. Let's go. All right, I guess we're gonna go to the right now. Yeah, we don't know what we're gonna find today, but we're doing a lot of drive-bys. We've done at least 5 drive-bys in this neighborhood already, and we haven't found anything. It's a lot of kids stuff, so, you know, if that sets the precedent of this neighborhood, then we'll be out of here pretty soon. But there is one street that has 3 or 4 garage sales on it that we're about to come up on, and we'll see. But then that'll just be neighborhood number 1, you know? If it sucks, it sucks. That looks like an interesting garage sale right there.
There we go.
Yeah. This one looks actually pretty cool. We found a cowboy hat at this garage sale. Shoot, we money? We gonna make him cheddar today or what?
You find the map. It's them people. Them people that will do that to you.
What video game? Let me know. Anyway, yeah, we found a cowboy hat. It'll probably sell for like 20, 30 in my booth. So, pretty cool. Let's go to the next garage sale. All right, so I just bought that deep freezer thing. It's $5. It says it works. I'm gonna take his word for it. And also, I'm just trying to find something that I can put 1/8 of a cow in, maybe 1/4 of a cow. I'm not sure if it can fit in there, but it's a start, so should be pretty good. The people in the comments, something that's like that. You can obviously see there's some Shark vacuum cleaners next to it. So for scale, there are those vacuum cleaner things. Do you think I could fit 1/8 of a cow in this freezer right here? If I go to the farmer's market and make a deal with a farmer. 1/8 of a cow? What about 1/4 of a cow? Let me know. I'm trying to figure this out. All right, we're coming up to this garage sale. We see one of our friends here. Let's go say hi. It's a beautiful overcast day today. It's like the best day to garage sale. I love this kind of weather. Whoa, free Band-Aids.
I think I already have a whole.
I'm taking Band-Aids. They're free. Oh, cool. There's a Coleman lantern in here.
Yeah.
$5 Coleman lantern. Let's check that out.
So you don't want my 1975 bag? Come on, man.
I want your 1980.
Yeah.
Oh.
Another $10 and you can have
Probably worth doing. I'm definitely buying this mirror at this garage sale. Buying this Coleman 220 lantern. And I'm not buying this guy, but if he was for sale, I would buy him. And that would make him work for me.
Do you ever wonder if you had 2 of yourself, how much more you could get?
Oh my gosh.
I could be the second Chris.
Yeah, no, that was a good burn. That was a good burn. You might need these.
You might need some Band-Aids for that burn.
Oh, these are Band-Aids?
Yeah, free Band-Aids, man.
Free, take them. I've had them in my garage. They're great Band-Aids. They're getting a little sticky around the edges.
I actually needed them.
I owed you $3.
Cool, $3. Thank you, man.
I thought they were like
All right, and you just bought some golf clubs, right?
Yeah, these are Ping Eye Black Eye.
Yeah.
2s. I think it's a whole set in a bag and a putter.
All right, I didn't want to ask you in front of him, but what's your play on this thing?
On this?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, they're probably 150 to 200 easy.
Okay.
For the set. And then it's a TBD on the putter because I know it's an Odyssey, so I know it's good. I mean, at 65, there's money to be made, and I like shipping clubs. I just get the saran wrap and wrap both ends.
Oh.
and then box them.
Cool.
And they're easier to ship that way.
Nice. Is it the triangle box you use?
No, not any longer. I just create one out of a small box from Home Depot because priority went way up with the long stuff.
Cool.
Oh,
well, that's pretty awesome. So yeah, this is Matt Jackson. He lives close to me in here in Austin, Texas. He is a great reseller. I see him all the time at garage sales, and he has free Band-Aids.
Chris is the greatest guy. You know, if you're watching right now, make sure you hit the like button. Chris is so positive, and he teaches all y'all this great stuff. So, you know, do the guy a favor, subscribe and all that stuff.
Chris is just like dying laughing. All right. All right, we gotta cut him the check later. All right. So yeah, so you got another lantern this morning, you said?
No, I got one of those last week.
Cool.
I can send you a couple of photos of. I have a 57 and a 73. Because I go camping and these are great. I love them.
Yeah. They make cool noises.
Yeah.
Well, my purchase today, this was probably going to be in my booth for around 50 bucks. It's a little gold beveled mirror, nothing crazy. Actually not beveled, but just a gold mirror. And then this Coleman lantern, TBD on this, but usually in the booth, this is like 30 to 50 bucks pretty quickly. And we have free Band-Aids, so the resale on that is immeasurable because it'll relieve pain and prevent us from getting infection. We're in the second neighborhood now, looking around for some deals. And we don't see any here yet. There's some old houses. We got like garage sales all over the place, and we're going really fast. We should be stopping and like, you know, perusing, but we're looking for like the freaking gold mine kind of items, you know. And so that's kind of how you have to do it. I see ammo boxes on the floor there. There's a really cool steel case. I need to go out on this one for sure. Yeah, that steel case is cool. I don't know what it is. Looks like a Zero Halliburton kind of thing. There's another garage sale over there. I see an arrow, so we have to go really quick. All right, you want to come, Emerson? You know, a Zero Halliburton case is really neat, but you know, for the booth, these little aluminum cases are kind of cool.
I gotta get the
$7.
Got water.
Cool.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
I'd say 10 bucks.
10 bucks?
Yeah.
And it's pretty sturdy.
Oh yeah, man. It's not, I don't know what it was for, but it was cool.
I think I'll do it. So I bought the case for 10 bucks. There's 2 ammo cases inside, so I think the resale on this is probably like 70 to 100, but I'll look it up later.
You know what I think it is?
How's my tricep look? E-Money, how does my tricep look?
Kind of horsey.
Oh, good.
You got some horseshoes there.
Yes. E-Money, drop your bike rack. Let's go. Hurry up, E-Money. Oh, look at your tricep. I just saw it. Look. Wow. Wow.
Is it there? You see it?
Wait, E-Money. Oh my God, it's the Arnold Classic. E-Money, how does my entire physique look?
It's a classic cheddar pose.
Classic cheddar pose. Okay. Oh no, this is one of these SUVs where it doesn't do it automatically. All right, let's go. All right, I see another garage sale over there. I see the arrow. Oh, there's a Tesla coming on you. E-Money, cut it off.
I am.
Oh.
Oh gosh, he actually went.
Whoa. He actually accelerated. I don't know why he did that. That was not a good idea, Tesla. It's a plant sale. E-Money, it's a plant sale. Whoa. Whoa. Nope.
There.
Would you like a broken chair, E-Money?
Nope.
I have this feeling we're gonna do really well. I just don't know what the item's gonna be. You know, I just know that it's overcast. It feels like a good cheddar day. We've already found a cool case. And that's not good. And it just feels good. You know, it's hard to explain, but you know, I think we're just gonna do well. All right, we're back at the Hustler Casa. Kind of weird. Before we go into neighborhood 4 and actually 3 and 4, we decided to switch out the trucks. We really weren't supposed to be here, but I forgot to put something at my front door for Craigslist or no, Facebook Marketplace pickup. Totally forgot, and like the guy was on his way, so had to come back to the neighborhood. And now we're switching trucks so I can get the freezer and all that kind of stuff. So now we're in the Bonafide Hustler spaceship, and we're gonna go see some more neighborhood-wide garage sales. This feels very inefficient, but you know, it is what it is. All right, we're in neighborhood number 3, and there are just garage sales every which way in this cul-de-sac. I mean, behind us, in front of us. So we're gonna have a look and see if we can find anything here. All right, we just came from that garage sale. 20 bucks, picked up this cool mirror. Probably go in the booth for like 50 or so. This cool saddle purse, which looks like you can put a midget on there and like purse it around. This is probably gonna be like 30, 40 in the booth. I got this stained glass piece right here, broken center, but doesn't matter. That was part of the $20 deal. This will go in the booth for like 100. This Austin City Limits hat, might keep it. And then this cool little fertility tapestry. I'll probably show you guys at the house when it's unfolded. Really neat.
You forgot.
Oh, and I got a felt hat for $5 at this garage sale right here.
So you can wear that and ride your horse at the same time.
Yeah, E-Money, you're riding my profits. You're riding my profits, E-Money. Yeah, it's a felt hat. It's pretty cool. Felt hats are really big deals in the booth right now, so kind of hard to get a bunch of them, but I try to buy them wherever I can. You know, we're further down in this neighborhood. There are just garage sales everywhere, and the amount of goods and the quality of the goods are really good. So we're just kind of going to a lot of them. I freaking love overcast days. They're the best.
Eventually, I guess.
Oh, look at this. This is Legos. I wonder what the next one looks like. This is all art from Legos. Obama. This is kind of cool. MLK. And something else. All right.
Yeah, that's
So yeah, we're just kind of walking around because there's a garage sale there, garage sale there. We turned into the neighborhood like 10 minutes ago. It just seems like there's a lot going on. We got a garage sale right here with some bikes. One of them is really tall and like obscure looking, but there's a Trek like 7000 right there. Let's see if I can get my hands on that one. So the Trek bike that's up there, 125 bucks. Really cool bike, incredible frame, all original except for the tires and the seat. If it was my size, I'd pick it up 125 and just use it personally. Beautiful bike. For resale purposes, it's kind of close to where it would resell, so I'm not gonna pick it up. Really cool bike.
mint condition.
I know, it's really good condition. It's a size small, and I'm more of a large. Emerson's a medium, and just a beautiful bike. We are actually coming out of neighborhood 3. We're gonna proceed to neighborhood 4 and give it our best shot. But yeah, this neighborhood was really cool. I can't wait till next year when it has it again, because there's just a lot of good stuff at this neighborhood. There really was a lot of cool stuff. And I guess that's where we go. About to take a right into where the neighborhood is, which is down there. And we're gonna see if we can find some good things here. The thing is, my girlfriend went to this neighborhood an hour and a half ago, and she said it was kind of high priced and there wasn't much. But, you know, now, Emerson had a good point. He's like, we can go to the same neighborhood and see if we can score some deals. And now being 10:20 in the morning, we might be able to do that.
It's a good time.
E-Money, are the sideburns ever gonna come back to the videos?
I don't know.
Okay.
If I go past 4 weeks, maybe.
Yeah, maybe. Dude, I see a lot of commotion up here, so there could be garage sales over there. First garage sale looks like it's here. It's just got some weird stuff. I don't really know.
I'd pass.
Emerson's saying pass. A lot of weird clothing. Yeah, this is a pass for sure. Okay, let's keep looking around. There are a lot of people walking around this neighborhood to garage sales. There's a kid in front of me in the street. Oh, there are no sidewalks, so that is the reason why. But kind of weird. I guess it's like a thing to do. When the garage sales happen in this neighborhood, you just kind of walk to each one. I guess I could get down with that. I don't know. Garage sale here. I see a bike in the front, but I don't think it's a bike for sale. Probably not. But you never know what we'll find. This bike's probably super expensive. 100 or less, I'll buy it. Cool. Let's see what we got. 75. I'm buying it. Let's go. So yeah, we just scored that bike for 70 bucks. All cleaned up and everything like that. What do you think, E-Money?
Dude, ready to go. Super.
It's pretty nice, but it needs to have a lot of things cut away from it. There's like too many stupid things.
Yeah, like this.
This has to be cut off. It has to be washed.
Dude, this thing is ready to go.
Yeah, it's pretty nice though. It's gonna haul ass.
Ready to do one.
So Emerson thinks 180. I'm thinking more closer to 3. You'll see what happens. So from that garage sale over there in the distance, Spent 40 bucks, got this taxidermy coyote, floppy ear, but I'll glue it back. This electric kids bike, really cool. Said there's some flat tire stuff, so I'll figure all that out, but you know, resellable for sure. Probably $150. And then also got this authentic raccoon hat as part of the $40 deal. And I think that could probably resell in the booth for like 20, maybe 30, if I'm even allowed to put it in the booth, because there's like wildlife restriction stuff. So I don't know, this could end up in my house and not in the booth. But if this is in the booth, it's probably closer to like 50 to 100 bucks, something like that. We'll see. All right, guys, we came from a coffee shop that is right there called Civil Goat here in Austin, Texas, off of Manor Road. We got ourselves 2 cortados. All right, E-Money, so what is a cortado?
A cortado is equal shots espresso and equal shots of milk. But it's not like foamy milk on the top, it's more like cappuccino, like very, very thin layer on the top.
Okay, so that, now that we know that much,
well,
is it 2 ounces and 2 ounces? Is it 1 ounce and 1 ounce? What is it? Equal parts espresso and milk, right?
Yeah, equal.
So what is it usually?
Here's the other thing.
3 and 3, 2 and 2?
It could be 1 and 1, 2 and 2.
Okay.
I've seen so many different ones where they're this small.
Okay.
And like even taller than this.
Okay.
But I do know some places in California call it a Gibraltar, which is really weird. Some people in Hawaii, if y'all are in Hawaii, they could bring it up as like a bongo. Yeah, it's like really weird. And then some people just look at you like, what's a cortado?
Okay.
And
that's when you tell, that's when you say,
that's when
I want a bongo or a Gibraltar, right?
You explain it to them in terms of equal shots espresso and milk. Yeah.
Wow. Okay, well, cheers. From Civil Goat here in Austin, Texas.
Smells delicious.
It's good. I'll give 2 Oz for the cortado meter. It's a 4 Oz meter, you know? 2 Oz from me.
Give me like a 2.5.
I mean, I just pulled a little out of nowhere, so maybe a 2.175 repeating, you know? It's pretty good though. Oat milk cortado from Civil Goat. And yeah, I think that's the day. Now we're gonna go, we have a lot of room in the back of the SUV because we're gonna go get the fridge, the freezer thing. So anyway, I will show you the tapestry and all that kind of stuff when we get to the house. So now it's the next day and we are back at the Hustler Casa. I wanna show you this kind of hanging tapestry looking thing. It's pretty neat. That was part of that deal at that garage sale. I mean, it's pretty cool. Might put it in my upstairs little meditation room. I'm not 100% sure yet. I mean, I don't really know how to kind of sell this thing outside of the fact that I could, I guess, hang it in my booth with a really long pole going to the ceiling, but, you know, kind of a tough decision. It is really cool though. So yeah, we'll figure out what to do with that. I'm not a whole lot of money into it, so it doesn't really matter. Here's the mirror. Here's one of the mirrors I found that day. Pretty nice rectangular mirror. Then we have another rectangular mirror right here. You saw that earlier. And a little bit of a closer look at some of the other things from the day. Pretty nice stuff, right? Really the big winner is this guy right here, for sure. It's gonna be a little TBD on what it's gonna resell for, but it's pretty cool. And then this one's not too bad too. I kinda like this thing. It's interesting. I think I could do pretty well with it at the booth. So yeah, I tried my best to do an old-fashioned garage sale ride along, even with E-Money. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, hit the like button, and make sure you subscribe to this channel because there's more videos coming. I'll talk to you soon. Take it easy. Goodbye.